Welcome to Thimble Rock Point. This is a beautiful A-frame Airbnb located in Western Colorado on 25 acres of private land. So with that being said, let's get on with the tour. As you arrive, you'll be blown away by the sheer beauty of this cabin. When you first go inside, you will see the main living space. Here there is a very comfy queen-size bed. There is also a blue chair with the house manual on top. Personally, I love taking in the view from this chair, and the host even provides you with binoculars so you can try to spot the wildlife in this area. On the other side of the room is a desk with some local magazines and a Thimble Rock Point postcard. Now let's make our way into the kitchen. First, you'll find a Keurig and a drawer stocked with plenty of coffee, hot chocolate, and apple cider. There's also some spices, seasoning, and olive oil for cooking. This kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances like this oven, electric stove, and an exhaust hood. And the drawers are full of everything you would ever need to cook with. On the other end of the kitchen, there is a stainless steel sink, some cutting boards, the fridge, and a complimentary bottle of wine. There's also more living space back here. This is a great area to store your things, and you are provided with some robes, and there is a small TV as well. One of the coolest features is this pull-out bed that blends in perfectly with all the other cabinets. It's very easy to set up, and it's a great use of space. Now let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom gets a lot of natural light from this triangular window. The shower has a rainfall shower head, and there is also this beautiful blue tile throughout. Across from the bathroom is where the washer and dryer is located. Overall, I just loved all the natural light inside this cabin, and the view from the inside never gets old. So let's make our way outside to see all the outdoor amenities. So right out front there is a patio area where you can sit and take in these stunning views. Below, you'll find a propane grill, a table to enjoy your meals outside, and a huge gas fire pit. Overall, this is a great space to hang out and enjoy the fresh Colorado mountain air. Like I mentioned earlier, the cabin is located on 25 acres of private land. It feels like you have your own little piece of mountainside all to yourself. On average, this area receives 300 days of sunlight a year. And Western Colorado offers an endless amount of activities like hiking, biking, rock climbing, kayaking, and horseback riding, just to name a few. While we were here, we visited Gateway, Colorado. It's only about a 25-minute drive down the canyon. John Hendricks, who is the founder of the Discovery Channel, fell in love with this area. He built a resort here so others could enjoy the beauty and adventure of the area as well. You can also check out Mr. Hendricks' private car collection that has been turned into a museum. This car collection features over 50 cars and is valued somewhere around $60 million. This gold F88 concept car auctioned for $3.2 million. All the cars are in running condition as well, so they're very well taken care of. So if you love cars like me, you have to come here to see this place in person. It's truly a piece of art and history. Vroom vroom. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button for more videos, and we will see you guys all in the next Airbnb tour.